today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this glueless V-part wig from Nadula Hair. This is in it was in 24 inches, and it is, I'm not sure the density, but it will be linked down below for you guys. I love the way this look turned out. I decided to cut it just to give it like a little bit more of a natural look, but you guys will see what the hair looks like out of the box. The regular length 24 inches. This is their Jerry curl texture as well. It just like mimics natural hair, so I just thought this was so pretty. And I want to tell you guys a little bit about their upgraded mesh cap inside of these wigs. You guys will see in the clip, whenever the first clip after I'm done with this introduction, you guys will see before I start installing it. The cap on the inside has been upgraded to a mesh. It's very breathable. It's like just like the tracks basically, so you can like literally get in here. I wish I could show you guys, like maybe I can show you. I put on a cap so you guys can see it, but like you can literally just like put your hands in there and scratch if you need to. It's so breathable. You don't have to worry about your scalp sweating and all of that. So this cap is upgraded. It's super nice. I love how it just feels like really light and airy on top of my head. So this is like super nice. This hair is so full and so pretty looking. Like, that's so pretty. Let me just get up close and show you guys the texture a little bit. You guys do know leave out. We know my whole spiel with the V-part wigs, how I'm doing no leave out because I am not putting heat on my hair or anything, not manipulating my hair too much. So no leave out method, but you can do leave out with V-parts. You only need the smallest amount if you want to make your hair like super natural. It's going to be a super quick install video, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys get into it. I'm going to have all the hair details down below for you guys. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you guys want to see how I install this wig, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is the finished look. Very, very cute. You guys saw it in the beginning. I'm going to have all the details down below for you guys if you guys want to check them out. You guys know I rave about Nadula Hair. It's a great company, and you guys should definitely try out these V-parts with this new mesh cap, because like I literally like how I can just like stick my hands in there and just scratch what I need to scratch. So you guys should definitely check them out. Everything will be down below for you guys.